Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I bought this little Dollar Tree easel and it really did not come with instructions that were easy to understand, and I really couldn't find anything on YouTube to show how to put it together. So I thought maybe I would help and make a short video on how to put this together. I unpackaged and made sure I had all my pieces and everything was there. So I'm just kind of sorting through it and trying to figure out how to put this together. Here I'm going to drill a little pilot hole for the screws that will hold the chains. For the top, you want to use the shortest screw. Thread it through the holes and just tighten down on the wing nut. Now I'm just going to take a ruler and measure where I want to set the shelf part, and I measured up 2 1/4 inches, and that seems to work out pretty good. Now the wider board will be the one in the front, and there's a place where the screw head fits in there and goes flush. Make sure that's facing forward. Now I make sure I have it aligned just like I want it before I tighten down on the bolt. Now I'm going to attach the chain. To the right of the wing nut I had already pre-drilled a little hole, and now I will tighten down the little hook. Now I'm going to attach the hook to the leg of the easel. Now I'm going to attach a chain and the easel will be complete. It's really pretty sturdy and a really good quality for $1.25. You can't beat it. It's perfect. Now I'm going to paint and decorate. I hope this helped y'all. Please like and subscribe my channel.